Yeah, good morning, class 6. I'll explain today triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, let's see what is a triangle first of all. So, triangle, it's a polygon with very least number of sides, that is three sides only. It's a first polygon with only three sides. Okay, least sides, that is three sides. Let me name it A, B, C. So a polygon with three sides. This is a triangle. Vertices, that is A, B, and C are the vertices. What are vertices? When two line segments meet, that is called vertex. So A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. What are the three sides? AB, BC, and AC. They are the three sides. These line segments are called the sides. And which is the angle? The area bounded by AB and AC. That are the angles. Angle A has to be written BAC. Angle A. Angle B is written as ABC. Angle C is written as angle ACB. I can write ACB or BCA. There are two ways of writing. Okay, ABCB, yeah, BCA. The angle which I am going to say, that letter should be in the middle, like A angle, B angle, C angle. That letter should come in the middle. Okay, from exercise 4.4, I have a small sum. Okay, draw a rough sketch of ABC. Mark a point P. In the interior and a point Q in the exterior. Is the point A in the exterior or its interior? A rough diagram ABC banana hai. It is already made. Let me show you here. This to be written by you all. Triangle, it's a polygon with three sides. Very least number of sides polygon is a triangle. Draw a rough diagram of triangle ABC and mark a point in the interior. Interior means this portion is interior. This is a diagram. P interior and point Q is in the exterior. This is the question of exercise 4.4. Q is a point in the exterior. Exterior means outside. So this portion is interior. Inside A, B, C. This is interior. Exterior means the whole area, the whole board, whole space, whole paper. Outside A, B, C is exterior. Question is there, is A interior or exterior? Point A is in interior or exterior? It is neither interior nor exterior. Point A is neither exterior nor interior. It is on ABC. It is on triangle ABC. It is on triangle ABC. Okay. This is exercise 4.4. A triangle is given in the exercise. A triangle is given like this. A, B, C, D. एक ट्रायंगल दिया गया है ABC and AD is a line segment in between. It's not median, but it is a line segment given. Questions are identify three triangles. तीन triangles को पहचानना है. Write the name of 7 angles. Write the name of 6 line segments. Write 2 triangles have B as common. So identify 3 triangles. First triangle, question number 2, A answer. First triangle is ABD. This is the smaller triangle. Another triangle ADC. ADC. This is the another triangle. Third triangle is the bigger triangle ABC. So these are the three triangles ABD, ADC and ABC. These are the three triangles. Okay? तीन triangle दिया गया है. Write the name of 7 angles. 7 angles का नाम बताना है. These are called angles. 3, 3, 6 and this whole is one angle. So 7 angles. Angle number 1, that is BAD. Angle 2, ABD. Angle 3, that is ADB. Children, you can name ADB and BDA. Both are same. Middle letters should be confirmed. Fourth angle DAC. Fifth angle ADC. Sixth angle ACD. Last biggest angle, that is angle A as a whole, that is BAC. These are the 7 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Name 7 angles. So these are the 7 angles. I have marked here as well as written the angles. Never write angle A, alphabet A. 1 letter से नहीं लिखना है. 3 letters you should mention angle. Triangle also, angle also. Angle you should mark like this. And triangle you should mark like this. Write the name of 6 line segments. 6 line segments. These are the 6 line segments. AB, AC, BD, DC, AD and BC as a whole. BD, DC, BC. Okay. AB, AC and AD. AD is one line segment in between these two between the triangle. Okay, it's neither altitude nor median. Okay, just a line segment AD. 6 line segments you can make. Write 2 triangles having B as common. B common होते हुए 2 triangle का नाम बताना है. Okay, write 2 triangles have B as common. Yes, these are the 2 answers. B common है इसमें. ABD and ABC. ABD is a small triangle. ABC is the big triangle. In दोनों में B common है. B is common in both of them. Children, I'm back with quadrilateral. Okay, let me explain quadrilateral now. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? 4-sided figure. It's a polygon with 4 sides. Polygon with 3 sides is called triangle. Polygon with 4 sides, it is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided figure. If I draw like this, a quadrilateral, let me name it ABCD. This is quadrilateral. ABCD. Okay. A 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral with 4 angles or 4 sides. It's a quadrilateral. So polygon with 4 sides. Polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. That is AB, BC, CD, AD. These are the 4 sides. AB, BC, CD and AD. They are the 4 sides of a quadrilateral. What are the 4 angles? Angle A. If I write A, it should be BAD. Angle B, angle C, angle D. These are the 4 angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles also. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. What are the opposite angles? A and C are opposite angles. A and C, they are opposite angles. B and D are also opposite angles. B and D, they are opposite angles. They are opposite angles. Now adjacent angles. Adjacent. A is adjacent to B. A and B. Angle B and C. Okay. A is adjacent to B. B is adjacent to C. C is adjacent to D. And draw PQRS. Draw the diagonals. Name them interior or exterior. I'll draw a quadrilateral. Draw PQRS. PQRS. This is a quadrilateral RS. So diagonal is asked. What are diagonals? PR is one of the diagonal and QS is another diagonal. Okay, this is the first diagonal. This is the first diagonal. PR opposite vertex को जो join करते हैं, the line segment joining opposite vertex. QS and PR both are diagonals. Question is, the diagonals are meeting at a point. Are they inside? Is this point inside or exterior? So it is, yes, inside. Let me name it O. So diagonals meet interior at O. The diagonals always meet in the interior of the quadrilateral. Okay. What are diagonals? Diagonals are the line segment joining the opposite vertex. There are two diagonals in case of quadrilateral. There is no diagonals in a triangle. Thank you.